Sige, ayun na lang.
Ano yan?
Sige, sige, you cook, try. Sige, ano na. Sige, kaya basig mo yan po. Sige.
What are you cooking, Ar?
Hotdog and ramen.
Wow.
Ay! Wait. Dapat naluto yung bak.
Wala pa naluto. Wow. I think that's yummy.
I will
Post na
remove first the
online.
water, ha?
I-post lang online.
Okay.
Post lang online.
I will remove the water next.
Stop remove the water. Now, put it back on. Now, put it back.
Yeah. Let's put it back later.
Now,
Ano, push, go this one, push, and then,
now. Here's
okay,
one.
wait, wait, lang. Let's
Wait
put it
until it
down.
Put it in there. I don't want to get past it. Okay, start it. Wait until it cooks.
Dili man na mag-spill ang oil.
Come mag-splash ba?
Dili lagi.
Wait until it cooks.
Okay, mapagod na siya, you need to,
Diba?
what do you mean by okay it?
Don't let it until it burns.
Okay, ma-burn man ang other side. Dili mo siya i-flip.
Ang dog. Ang hot dog. Can you get some yumminess?
No, later na ni ang nuggets.
Put the nuggets on the plate.
Yeah.
Heat it up. Wait until it stops smoking.
After niyo mag-cook ang
Wait
dog,
until it
ito na ni cook ang nuggets.
Alright.
Oh, that's the feeling of mama every time. Now you know.
It hurts. It hurts, Al.
You have a taller spoon.
And you need a taller one.
Yeah. Well, I'm in the pocket. Okay, I'm taller one. That one I mean.
Flip it para dili mag-burn ang other side.
Ikaw, girl. Kung siya mag-splash. Ay!
RR is cooking. Hello, guys.
Sige, hi to the video mo na.
Concentrate kayo, eh.
Hindi mo mag-splash. Thank you. Okay.
Wala na siya. Ano na siya, i-flip.
Cheese! There's cheese!
Yes. Oh, matuluan siya.
Wait until it cooks.
Yes.
And stir.
Sure, you can remove that one anytime.
So it will cook. It should be wait until it cooks. Once it's done cooking,
Sige. You get it one by one. Put it here.
it's about to cook. It's cooked. Not yet.
It's cooked already.
Let's stop.
What's that? Oh.
Now one by one.
Oh, ginayan na.
One by one.
Nata to bite si Aal.
Bro, or skateboard.
Oh, tala.
Let's. Baka ko ma.
You can do it, sige. Very good. Break that, sige. No.
Ah! My hot dog dropped. So sad. Oh no. Not this time. Not this time. Not again.
Be careful.
Hold on. Why it keeps moving away?
Yeah.
Put na the nuggets.
First, yabuin.
Oh, di yabo.
Ano?
No, it's the same cooking oil. That's fine. Sige. Later na natin i-on ang fire after you put all the nuggets in. Go. Ay! No, drop the food.
Agay. Ay, no. Ano na ito mabili?
Yehey! Yehey! Sige na, mag-talk na ka.
Okay, let's
Nay, good evening.
evening.
Oops, later na.